How day looks like while you are on the set of Once Upon a Time. How much time do you need to prepare to one episode, to learn the text?
À quoi ressemble une journée typique de tournage sur les plateaux de Once Upon a Time? Comment est-ce que vous vous préparez? Combien de temps il vous faut pour apprendre votre texte?
Well, I guess the typical day is I get up,
Je me lève,
have a shower,
je prends une douche,
I go to work,
je vais au travail,
and then we have breakfast, and then we do hair and makeup, and it depends on the type of scene and how many people are in the scenes, and then you sort of go in and do the scenes. But to prepare a script, it also depends on how busy you are in an episode. So some episodes you'll have more to do, but we all get our scripts maybe like a week and a half before we shoot them. So we only ever really get a week and a half to prepare. But if you're particularly busy in one episode, you might not really get a chance to prepare that much. But I think everybody knows the characters so well that they're able to sort of adjust to that, which is good. That makes sense?
Yes. Ça dépend des personnages. Donc journée typique, hein, je me lève, je me lave, je vais au travail, on prend un petit déjeuner et puis après on passe au maquillage, à la coiffure et puis on va tourner. Après du coup le temps de travail dépend des scènes qu'on joue et des acteurs qui sont présents dans la scène, si on est nombreux ou pas. Généralement on a le script à peu près une semaine et demie avant de tourner l'épisode. Donc voilà, c'est le temps qu'on a pour travailler. Vous êtes très belle.
For me, most of my day consists of putting my hair in.
Une grande partie de ma journée est prise pour mettre tous mes faux cheveux.
And before Ruby went through her little change, it took a really long time to do my makeup in the morning.
Le maquillage aussi qui prend beaucoup de temps le matin.
Okay. My preparation is somewhat personal and it would take up the whole time here, so I'm going to keep it short. But I do a lot of preparatory work at home.
Beaucoup de travail préparatoire déjà à la maison.
Before I show up to work.
Avant d'aller au travail.
And I try to utilize that week and a half if we get it. and like Colin said, it's very rare. We're usually working all the way up to the next episode. But we all do our best to prep at home, and we do. And when we show up, it's really different for everyone, because some of us have a lot more makeup than others. Oops, sorry, love. Than others, which is, Colin gets the guy liner. I said that in a way that really tickled me. I was like, guy liner. Guy liner's hot. Woo! Colin doesn't need much, so he's in there for 5 minutes maybe. We're in there for 2 hours. And then putting on your costumes is like another 20 to 30. Okay, you have a lot to put on. So there's a lot of leather. I know. Being Colin's fun. I would think. I like leather. So, I mean, it's a different process for us all, but, we're all hard workers, and so we all prep as much as we can, and we're able to before we show up to work, and then we get to rehearse, not for very long, but it's definitely helpful, and then we shoot. And some of you that have been to Vancouver and have seen what our days are like, they are not short. And we do a lot of repeats, so there's a lot of takes, and one scene could go on for 8 hours. So if you are going to come visit us, bring blankets, umbrellas, and snacks.